Hi everyone, Angela here, and today we are going to have a special guest, Mr. Riken here with us. We are going to make Play-Doh. We were outside this morning and it started to rain, so we decided to come in and make some Play-Doh. So we thought we would do that together with you. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys or tell you what the recipe is, then we're going to put it together and move on over to the stove. So it's just, let's see, like 5 simple ingredients. It's 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of water, a little bit of food coloring, 1 cup of table salt, a tablespoon of oil, we already have it pre-measured, and then a teaspoon of cream of tartar. And then of course you get to choose your essential oil, and so we will do that at the very end. Okay, here we go. So we've moved to phase 2. We have everything stirred up perfectly together. Riken has turned into our supervisor. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And he's going to be eating his brownie and supervising my work on the stove. If you're new here, you know that we're remodeling, so forgive the house. But what we're going to do here, what I'm going to do here is just mix this up on medium heat, and we're just going to kind of let all of the water evaporate out until a nice dough forms. Okay, and then we're going to just be very careful to make sure that it doesn't dry out, because if I cook it too much, then it will be dry and crumbly and it won't be any fun to play with. Okay, so I think we're good. We're very thick. If you can see, it's so thick and gooey now. I've lost my helper. But what we're going to do, we're going to use some nonstick parchment paper, and we're going to rip off a piece. And put it on the pan. And then use all my muscle strength to get it out of the pan, because right now it is so hot. So we are going to want it to cool down, and we'll finish the video. After it's cooled down, we'll take a nice pause, we'll come back, and we'll show you how we do the next step, which is add the essential oils. Okay? See you in a few minutes. All right, so we made it to step number 3, which is letting it cool down and then adding our essential oils. So what oil do we have here today?
Frankincense.
Frankincense. Is it your favorite oil? Where do you like us to put your oil? All over the place. This is Riken's favorite oil. We have a roller ball, and we actually have a couple other ones that we have just all over the house, and we like to put it on his chest. We like to make a heart on his chest before bedtime. Sometimes we put a little bit here or a little bit over here.
Oh.
It's cold. But when in doubt, frank it out. So it just happens to be my favorite scent.
Let me tell something.
Okay.
All the time my mom makes haunted house on me and I cannot see it.
Yes, sometimes I even draw a haunted house on his belly before bed. Yep. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put 5 drops. Can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5.
It went a little fast there. 1, so you can go ahead now, mix it all in, okay? Yep, mix it all in like this. Yeah, so I kind of smashed it on the piece of paper, the parchment paper, so that it would have plenty of time to cool down, or it would cool down faster. Now we get to, it's still a little bit warm, but not warm enough that it's going to destroy anything, any of the compounds in the frankincense. And it just happens to be our favorite smell. So this is what we're going to use. It's still a little warm, so it's a little extra sticky, right? But here, break it up and you can play with it. Now we have new Play-Doh. So when Kellen wakes up from his nap, he'll be able to play with us.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Okay, that's it. I would say set aside about 30 to 45 minutes to make your Play-Doh, and maybe a little bit longer if you need to clean up. He's gonna wake up his brother. But that's it, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.